Hi everyone, it's Margot McKinnon here from Body Harmonics, and today I've got a video for you that focuses on RSI, or repetitive strain injuries. It can be anything all the way up this chain here. Often the neck is partly responsible for what's going on, and very often we will feel the effects down through our hands and forearms. Okay, so we're going to focus here today. I've got another video coming up for the neck, but today hands and forearms. So what we're going to start with here is just a shake of the hands. I'm just going to reposition myself here. You know, if you want your arms right down at your sides, you can do that. That might be more comfortable. Okay, I always think of this like your arms are wet noodles, you know? So just nice and easy, good little shake. Great. Okay, good. And then bring your arms up so that, again, the forearm is a little bit lower than the elbow, okay? All right, and from here, what you're gonna do is just turn your arms over and up, and over and up. Now your range may be smaller than mine. That's absolutely fine, but I want you to take a look right up near the elbow and see if you can feel or see some motion right there near the elbow. So it's not just at the hand and the wrist, but all the way up near the elbow. Okay. And when this when the muscles start to get tired, you'll feel it in the forearms for sure. Okay, so we'll just do a couple more here. Good. Okay, great. All right, and then hands, almost like you're holding a very fragile egg in each. And you're going to start to circle the wrists around. Circle them around. Good, and if that's not comfortable holding your hands, that way you can keep the hands open. You can make little fists with them if you prefer. Okay, so let's go the other direction, circling and circling around. And you might get a bit of a stretch sensation here over the top of the hand. Good. Okay, and you're going to pause there. Give another little shake, little shake here. Okay, now I'm going to just hold my hands in this direction here for you so you can see. You put your hands wherever they're comfortable, and you fold in the fingers. Okay, and if you want to do a little bit of a bend through the wrist, you can. And then you reverse. And you're really trying to go joint by joint. Huh? Folding in, folding in, folding in. And, you know, again, you might not get the whole range here. No problem at all. You go to where you can go. See what it feels like. You're really working with all the tendons and muscles that affect the fingers, that move the fingers. Huh? Okay, so let's try a couple more here. Folding in and up. Folding in and up. Okay, good. So now we're going to put hands down on this surface. I've just got this little stool in front of me. And you'll notice that my forearm, it's not at 90, it's down lower. So my upper arm can really hang. Okay? And what you're going to do here is try to create a dome with your hand. I'm going to really exaggerate so that you can see. It doesn't have to be that big. Okay? But what I'd like you to focus on is doming in the palm area and making sure the fingers are rounded, right? Almost like you're trying to pick up a ball or an orange or something like that. Okay, so all the joints are kind of rounding here. Some of my joints do this better than others, so you take a look at your hand and see what you find. Okay, and just think doming. Very tiring after a while. Okay, good. And a little shake. Good. Okay, all right. So from here, I'm going to ask you to bring one arm up and you hold the back of your hand, and it's almost like a spiraling, ringing kind. And you don't have to hold hard, you don't have to push hard either, right? It can be a very soft motion, but you use one hand to help the other, right? One side to help the other. Okay, and it's again sort of this, I think of it like wringing out your hand and your forearm, and you're turning it in this direction so the palm faces out to the side. Okay, lots of there. Just give a little shake because again it's tiring for the other hand. Okay, but you might notice a difference in that forearm after doing the one side. It might feel a little bit longer. Okay, good. So we'll try the other side, up around the back of the hand. And again, just this idea of kind of spiraling. All right, again, don't force it, don't force. But if you can go all the way up toward the elbow here. See how that works. Okay, and through the hand and the wrist. Okay. All right, and you know, the tissue might be a little bit tender, so go carefully. Okay, and we will hang that arm. And again, just see if it feels maybe a little lighter, a little bit longer, a little bit more just space. Okay, and we're going to finish here with just a shake, 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 shake of the hands. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, let me know how that works. Remember, you can do the whole sequence. You can do one exercise at a time. You can put a couple together. One I would recommend that you try to do really regularly is this one where you're folding the fingers in and up. Okay, best of luck. Let me know.